News 8's Paulee is in Oklahoma following some local volunteers helping with the tornado relief efforts. She was there when the latest round of severe weather hit. Paulee?
Well, Carrie, we've seen a lot of severe weather and tornado activity since we've been down here. Just to give you a little bit of an idea, my photographer Tag Johnson and I are staying in Oklahoma City, about 15 minutes away from the downtown area. Last night there was a tornado warning, so we did have to take shelter. This is what it looked like outside of our hotel room last night. Just very ominous, lots of wind and rain, some hail in there, thunder and lightning, and thankful for us, that was about it. But we have talked to several people this morning that say they did see a tornado in Oklahoma City. Our CBS affiliate here in Oklahoma City reported several tornadoes last night that left thousands of people without power and killing at least 9 people as of 11 o'clock this morning. It also left tons of damage in all parts of the area here, and that sent Red Cross volunteers out to work through the night. One of our volunteers from our local area is Lori DeFlorian from Coon Valley. Lori, how has this past 24 hours been for you?
Very busy, very emotional.
What things have you been doing? I know you were out by midnight last night setting up shelters.
Yep, we came here, excuse me, about 12:30 last night. We left our hotel and came here and just started working, getting things set up for people to come and shelter here.
Now, we are actually, I forgot to mention this, but we are in El Reno, which is about half an hour outside of Oklahoma City. So a tornado, we did see a lot of damage. A tornado was apparently reported here. Have you seen the destruction yet?
I haven't seen any. Well, I guess we did on the interstate coming in last night. There was an area there was semis tipped over. It looked like a kid had just thrown semis all over the side of the road, and it was really frightening. A lot of flashing lights and a lot of commotion, debris everywhere. It was just unbelievable.
And in terms of activity here at the Red Cross shelter, have you seen a lot here yet?
No, not a lot yet, but we're planning on seeing more since people are able to go out and assess their homes a little bit better, and damage assessment crews are able to tell them whether they're able to go back into their home or not. We're probably going to see an increase in clients here today.
And so what kind of things can people do? What can they find in this shelter here?
We have food, and we have water, we have snacks. We just have good people that are here to help these people through this traumatic time. We also have other services that are available if they have lost durable medical goods like eyeglasses or walkers or medication. We can help with that through health services. We do have some counseling available to these people that are traumatized.
And now we were talking to her a little bit earlier today. From the relief drive that we held in La Crosse, more than $32,000 were raised that helped victims in Moore, and we're seeing that money in action here in El Reno. Talk about that.
Absolutely. 91 cents of every dollar goes to help the relief effort. There has to be some administrative costs in there, so 9 cents out of the dollar goes for administrative costs. It goes for things, supplies to stock the shelters, for food and water, snacks, whatever people need, blankets and pillows and stuff like that.
All right, thank you so much, Lori. I know you have a lot to get done here, so we'll cut you loose.
Thank you, Paulee.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right, and some of the other Red Cross volunteers that we've talked to today say they are on 2-week deployments, but since the activity that we saw last night, they may have to extend their stay for an extra week, since Red Cross volunteers are now spread pretty thin to try and help with the destruction and the cleanup. Reporting from El Reno, Oklahoma, Paulee, News 8.
The violent weather also hit Missouri. Multiple tornadoes ripped through communities around St. Louis. The good news is forecasters say over the next few days, these hard-hit areas should get a break from the intense storms.